Today, we're diving headfirst into the 15 best first cars for high schoolers, ranked by popularity, affordability, fun factor, and enthusiast appeal, starting with the Honda Civic. Duh! Yes, the Honda Civic rules high school lots. Reliable, affordable, and infinitely modifiable. Cheap parts, easy repairs, and low insurance mean more cash for mods. And VTEC just kicked in, yo. With about 200 horses in the SI trim, you're gonna dust your buddy's Econo box. Non-SI trims, though, sip gas like espresso. Efficient and effective. Melting dashboards? Yeah, that just adds character. Customization? Endless. From wheels to exhaust, you never run out of ways to make your Civic unique. Practical and affordable, it's perfect. And guys, real quick, do you love supercars, epic road trips, and exclusive automotive perks? Well then, you are going to love the Ideal Collective. For a limited time, you can sign up for free. Yes, free, and secure a spot to get entered into our first Ideal Card giveaway. Hurry up, pinned in the first comment is your link. Click it, and then, well, get signed up. Enjoy the rest of the show. Introducing the Mazda Miata, 2 seats, rear-wheel drive, stick shift, basically a street-legal go-kart built for pure driving joy. And as you guys know, Miata, it's always the answer. It hugs corners like your favorite hoodie. So what's not to like? Old school safety, but who cares? I mean, it has low running costs, it's easy to maintain, and insurance won't drain your wallet. Plus, it has master manual shifting and rear-wheel dynamics, which are effortless. Plus, you got your roof down, wind in your hair. Every drive feels special. Its lightweight simplicity turns every commute into fun-filled rides. This thing is unmatched smiles per gallon, baby. Now, you like twins? Yeah. Who doesn't? And these are the twins, the Subaru 86. It's a balanced, daily drivable, pure driving excitement machine. Plus, with that boxer engine with 200 horses, corner carving champs is on the rise. Mid-engine torque dips just means revving higher for more thrills, right? Yeah, that torque dip is pretty bad. But premium gas is also required, but it is totally worth it. In fact, I own an FRS right now, and I love it. Plus, reliability, well, it's pretty excellent, and running costs are not gonna break your budget. And did I say LSD? Yeah, not the kind you're thinking. You know, the limited slip differential, that actually comes standard. Plus this thing has massive enthusiast support. It has drift ready handling, and it has those great looks, which makes these twins a smart and exciting choice. Learn car control and look good doing it with the FRS or BRZ. Volkswagen Golf GTI, the original hot hatch blending daily practicality with turbocharged thrills and European refinement. What more could you ask for? Yes, turbocharged with around 200 horses, this hatch zips effortlessly, turning commutes into joy rides. German quality interiors featuring iconic plaid seats, which I absolutely love, superb vibes, and reliability is pretty decent, but occasional electrical quirks and premium fuel are part of the deal, which isn't always ideal. Still, it's affordable luxury and fun. Insurance is gonna stay reasonable thanks to practicality, yet every drive, yeah, it's gonna feel special. Commute responsibly by day, tear up twisty roads by night, refined rebelliousness for every driver. Roll up with American swagger in the Ford Mustang V6. Now, give this thing a chance because it has muscle car looks minus the V8 and insurance pain. Still, you get 200 to 305 horsepower if you get that EcoBoost. Plenty for street cred without breaking the bank. Rear-wheel drive fun, but you gotta respect wet roads. Don't become a meme. Practicality limited, tight seats and small trunk, but parts, well, they're cheap and they're plentiful, and the maintenance is super easy. Great car to learn how to wrench on. And Mustang ownership is about style and performance, head-turning coolness in every parking lot, manageable running costs, and endless aftermarket support. Respect the car and enjoy your ride. Meet the Subaru WRX, and this one is impressive. It's rally-inspired all-wheel drive fun for any weather. Practical sedan layout means turbocharged excitement. With 227 to 265 horses, the WRX launches like a slingshot. Turbo lag, minimal. Boxer rumble, addictive. Premium fuel and higher insurance, still totally worth it. Interior materials, well, they're basic, but driving dynamics, totally unmatched. All-wheel drive adds parent-approved safety, right? Hey, Ma, has all-wheel drive. It's safe. That's all you gotta say. Huge aftermarket support, legendary community, respect its power, and enjoy endless driving adventures. Okay, the Ford Focus ST, the feisty hatchback blending everyday practicality with turbocharged mischief, sharper, edgier, more exciting than a typical compact. Packing 252 horses under the hood and a manual-only shifter, the ST delivers adrenaline-fueled fun. Torque steer? Yeah, just keep both hands on the wheel and you'll be fine, as long as the nut behind the wheel is loose. Traction is definitely tricky in the rain, but these things will absolutely blitz an autocross course. Maintenance though on these things, it's absolutely crucial. Turbo engines need TLC, especially from fix or repair daily manufacturers. Interior quality, it's decent, it's spacious, and it accommodates friends in gear, so there's that. Insurance is definitely gonna be affordable thanks to practicality, and respect the power, especially if you put a blow-off valve on that thing, and you're gonna enjoy endless grins on twisty roads. Okay, the Acura RSX. This thing is a retired JDM legend offering sporty performance, Honda reliability, and accessible affordability. The Type S hits super hard with 200 horses, revving sky high for classic VTEC kicks. Compact back seats, best for your backpacks, but hatchback utility, it's still impressive. Age is definitely shown in its suspension and AC quirks. Maintenance is affordable, but you're gonna probably wanna replace some parts to make this thing come up to the 21st century. Insurance, as far as I can tell, remains solid because of the solid reliability. And this thing, hands down, gives you those classic tuner vibes. Mazda 3, well, it delivers practical fun. Mazdaspeed 3 turbocharges the excitement. Both provide zoom thrills, but Speed 3 ramps things way up to 11. Yes, the Mazdaspeed 3 packs 263 horsepower. Torque steer wildness guaranteed. Regular Mazda 3 is definitely calmer, yet still pretty entertaining, pretty nice. You're definitely gonna wanna check rust on early models though, and maintenance is definitely essential, especially on the Speed 3's turbo motor. So those things can go boom boom after they go zoom zoom. Interiors are comfortable and spacious. Reliability, it's solid overall. Plus, they're pretty affordable to run. Both cars offer versatility, practicality, and they just give you a genuine enjoyment of driving. So choose your zoom level wisely. Now, the smaller Fiesta ST. Yes, this compact hatch with fierce handling, razor sharp dynamics, and serious fun factor despite limited space and a very firm ride. But under the hood, you're packing 197 horses in this lightweight rocket, which transforms every road into an amusement park ride. Gas mileage, absolutely excellent. Interior, budget friendly, but it's still practical. And the maintenance, totally affordable. Insurance is gonna be reasonable. Tight interior space means fewer passengers, but way more driver-focused thrills. This is probably the ideal starter car for driving enthusiasts. You get massive driving pleasure out of this thing, compact practicality, and budget-friendly running costs. Plus, modifying is easy and cheap. The Fiesta ST, well, it delivers constant smiles, making even mundane commutes exciting. Small car, huge personality. The Nissan 350Z is kind of like the budget supercar. Yeah, sliding into spot number 11, we've got the Nissan 350Z. Sure, your mom might raise an eyebrow or two at the idea of Zs as your first ride, but listen up. The rear-wheel drive, two-seat coupe is the sports car you've dreamt of ever since watching Tokyo Drift. Prices hover around 6 to 10K, making it surprisingly wallet-friendly for such serious performance. Powering this bad boy is a beastly 3.5-liter V6 churning out between 287 and 306 horsepower, depending on the model year. This baby goes 0 to 60 in mid-5s, meaning that you're gonna smoke your buddy's Civic without breaking a sweat. Just remember, great power demands great responsibility. Maintenance-wise, the naturally aspirated V6 is pretty robust, but the early models, the 03s and 04s, might have sketchy transmissions, and the 05, 06 models, find one that's clean, stock, and you're gonna have an epic ride with massive aftermarket potential. Plus, since you don't have back seats, well, only you and your partner, girl, boy, whatever, can ride shotgun. Now this one is the forgotten sports compact. Yes, coming in at number 12 is the Toyota Celica GTS, aka the forgotten champ of the early 2000s. Discontinued in 2005, it's a hidden gem, perfect for high schoolers craving sporty reliability without breaking the bank. Finding one is like uncovering your dad's coolest vintage shirt. Retro, yet forever stylish. Under the hood, the Celica GTS rocks a Yamaha co-engineered 1.8-liter four-cylinder, pumping out 180 screaming horses at an insane 8,200 RPM redline. Engage lift at 6,000 RPM and you are absolutely flying. Seriously, it's Toyota's answer to VTEC. While not a dragster, it's agile. Lightweight handling makes corner carving your favorite new pastime. Interior-wise, the Celica sports a rad twin cockpit layout, and the rear hatch provides surprisingly practical use. Perfect for instruments, gear, or your buddy's girlfriend. Yeah, it's older, meaning suspension wear and clear coat peeling could occur, but keep it oiled up and you're practically gonna have it run forever. Back seats, tiny, but hey, it's a coupe, not a minivan. The Hyundai Genesis Coupe is a rear-wheel drive sports car that offers style and performance without breaking that bank account. It's a standout choice for high schoolers seeking a thrilling ride. With engine options ranging from a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder to a robust 3.8-liter V6 producing up to 348 horses, this coupe delivers impressive acceleration and handling. The manual transmission models are particularly engaging for driving enthusiasts. Personally, that's my pick. Now, the Genesis Coupe's aggressive styling and sporty interior make it a head turner. While rear visibility can be challenging, the overall driving experience compensates for it. So remember, if you're looking for a car that combines performance, style, and affordability, the Genesis Coupe is a solid ideal pick. It's a modern classic in the making. Hear me out. The Kia Soul stands out with its unique boxy design and vibrant personality. It is a practical yet fun choice for high schoolers who want something different. Under the hood, you're gonna find reliable engine options that offer a balance between performance and fuel efficiency. The Soul's compact size makes it easy to maneuver, especially in tight parking spots at high school. Inside, the Soul surprises you with a spacious cabin and user-friendly tech features. The upright seating position provides excellent visibility, enhancing safety for new drivers. While it may not be the fastest car on the block, it might be the slowest, the Soul has some soul, and it lies in its practicality and distinctive style. It's also known for its strong safety ratings and low insurance costs. So for those of you seeking a quirky, reliable, and budget-friendly ride, the Kia Soul delivers on all fronts. It's a car that lets you express your individuality without compromising on functionality. Next, the Toyota Prius is the go-to for hybrid and eco-conscious high schoolers. It's not just about saving the planet, it's about saving on gas money too. And with that hybrid powertrain, the Prius offers exceptional fuel economy, often exceeding 50 miles per. It's perfect for students with long commutes or those who want to minimize fuel expenses. Now the interior, it's spacious and it kind of feels like an Uber, but there's definitely ample room for all your passengers and cargo. The tech features, including a user-friendly infotainment system, kind of adds to the appeal. And while, yes, it's not a performance car, the Prius shines in reliability and low maintenance costs. Its reputation for longevity means it can serve you well beyond high school. And if you're looking for a dependable, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly vehicle, the Prius, it's really the only choice. It's the epitome of practical driving. So there you have it, cars that nail the combo of fun, affordable, and reliable for any high schooler. If you enjoyed the vid, like, subscribe, go to winthisIdealCar.com to get entered to win our ideal car, and go check out these ideal vids over here. I'm Brad, this is Ideal. We'll catch you next week, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.